Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today I'm going to reveal a secret method to grow tomatoes that not everyone wants to tell you about. This technique will help you grow juicy, delicious tomatoes right in your backyard, perfect for your family's needs. So, let's get started. Growing tomatoes can be incredibly rewarding, but it can also be challenging if you don't know the right techniques. The method I'm about to share has been passed down through generations and is a game changer for home gardening. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. The first step is preparing the soil. Tomatoes love nutrient-rich soil, so you'll need to start with a good foundation. Here's what you need to do. Choose the right spot. Select a sunny location with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Test the soil. Use a soil testing kit to check the pH levels. Tomatoes prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Amend the soil. Mix in organic compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. This will provide essential nutrients for healthy tomato growth. Next, it's time to plant your tomatoes. Here's the secret technique: deep planting. Dig a hole that's deep enough to bury 2/3 of the tomato plant. Yes, you heard that right. Burying a significant portion of the stem encourages a stronger root system, which means a healthier plant. Add crushed eggshells. Place crushed eggshells in the hole before planting. This adds calcium to the soil, preventing blossom end rot, a common tomato problem. Space them out. Make sure to space your plants about 18 to 24 inches apart. Proper spacing ensures good air circulation and reduces the risk of diseases. Proper watering and mulching are crucial for tomato plants. Consistent watering. Water your tomatoes deeply once a week, but adjust based on rainfall and temperature. Avoid overhead watering to reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Mulching. Apply a thick layer of mulch around the base of the plants. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain a stable soil temperature. To ensure your tomato plants thrive, follow these steps. Prune suckers. Remove the small shoots or suckers that grow between the main stem and branches. This helps the plant focus its energy on producing fruit. Support structures. Use cages, stakes, or trellises to support your plants. This keeps the fruit off the ground and reduces the risk of rot and pests. Feeding your plants and keeping pests at bay are essential. Fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Too much nitrogen can lead to lush foliage but fewer tomatoes, so be mindful. Pest control. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and tomato hornworms. Use organic insecticidal soap or neem oil to control infestations. Finally, the most rewarding part: harvesting your tomatoes. Timing. Pick tomatoes when they are fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Technique: use a gentle twisting motion to avoid damaging the plant. And there you have it. By following this secret method, you'll have an abundant supply of delicious, homegrown tomatoes to enjoy with your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!